Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Jeremy Sapla, 24 years old. I'm from Olango Malig, Isabela, Philippines. I'm married. I have a two sons, 3 years old and 2 years old. My highest educational statement, high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking. I'm a pet lover. I have a 2 dog and 2 cats. My expertise are childcare. I work housemaid in Philippines for 2 years. I serve one couple and 2 children, 21 and 17 years old. My duties are taking care of children, elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, cash washing, marketing, and others. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and others. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn. I can sing nursery song like You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You makes me happy. To my future employer, mom and sir, please call me as your housemaid in. I'm hard I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and kind. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and I'm looking forward to work and you as soon possible.